Do girls have boobs of different sizes?
Yeah.
How many times do girls think about sex?
Uh,
Why do you girls get so moody when you're on your periods? Cat fight is incoming.
guy told me at the gym that.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today I'm here with one of my best friends.
Hello.
Make some noise for Kanchi. So today we're going to be filming yet another awkward podcast with yet another 3 awkward people.
But this time it's guys asking girls awkward questions.
Yes.
Yep.
And we are scared, honestly. I have no idea about the questions.
Okay, first we
Neither.
should let Kanchi introduce herself.
Anything about it. Basically, हम दोनों school friends हैं and college same नहीं है, but we are
In the same city. We've only met twice though.
okay.
I have a cat who's like my child. She got lost a few days ago.
I mean, what
I
happened?
found her though. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, that's great.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask them questions that you guys have sent. Oh, I'll start from the simple questions. So, how to know if a girl likes you?
Okay. I think like it probably varies. I think कुछ लड़कियाँ
I
straightforward
think
होती
you'll
हैं.
know if a
Achha.
girl likes you.
I don't know why he's asking them.
I think you'll know.
I think
Because girls actually don't play the hard to get wala thing everyone thinks about. They don't. If they're trying to, like, if they're acting hard to get, then they probably don't want you. They're pretty straightforward.
yeah, I think they would want like they
If
would
I like
talk.
someone, I would make it obvious.
I don't know if I would make it obvious. Like at least in the start, जब तक I don't think that the other person also has feelings for me. तब तक
Okay.
I would probably
But
play.
give hints though. We give hints.
Yeah, we give hints like we would like
Okay,
if
what
you
are some hints?
like if you talk to us,
We
then we
will,
will reply early. Yeah, like I won't ghost you. पहली बात तो I would talk to you. या फिर if you want to meet, if I could also initiate कि चलो मिलते हैं, probably. या फिर I feel like I would share my playlist. या फिर some songs that I don't usually share. I feel like हर लड़की के लिए अलग होते हैं honestly, but I think you would know because she would be nice to you.
And she'll also smile when she talks to you.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, nice one.
That would happen automatically
yeah,
though.
like she would laugh at your lamest things.
Jokes.
Yeah,
So basically, you reply earlier, you will smile a lot, and you will
laugh.
put in some hints, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you'll know from the body language of the girl, I think. It's not that hard.
But I think कि I've personally faced this a lot. I feel कि guys sometimes don't understand if a girl is being nice to you.
Yeah,
if she-
that's another thing.
Yeah. So
That's
like
another
if a girl's being nice, there are like I don't
If a girl is just nice to everyone, it's
Yeah.
not the same.
yeah. It's not, I think like she would give you special attention अगर वो नहीं हो रहा है, if she's like nice to everyone in the
Taking out time for you alag se jaake and
हाँ,
everything.
yeah.
What is the right age to date according to you?
कोई
There's
age
no
नहीं
right
है.
age.
हाँ, like
You should be emotionally mature enough.
Damn. Okay.
mature बात. I mean, I don't think there's a right age. Probably the person matters. Like अगर
Yeah,
सामने
you
वाला
shouldn't be at that age at least that you're going after that person, you're getting toxic and shit, you're letting the other person control you. Wo age matlab wo immaturity is something else. It's not about age.
I've also
any
seen
age.
people just school life में start करते हैं and they're like still dating and like they get married. So I don't think there's an age for it, but yeah, it depends on people as well. Because like कुछ लोग actually उस time date भी करते हैं and then I don't know what they make out of it. So yeah, it honestly depends on the person.
What do girls actually feel when a stranger compliments them?
If it's a girl, I would love it. I would like literally think about it पूरा
Yeah,
दिन.
same. Girl validation over
Yeah,
everything.
I honestly.
But then if it's a guy and it's like just a polite compliment, they're not trying
Yeah.
to
yeah.
be creepy or
Yeah.
get.
I mean, what defines creepy? What कौन सी line है जो
The
creepy
way
के
they
center
say
side?
it, I feel like it could be like
Haan.
you look pretty. You look pretty.
So a guy told me at the gym that he wants my skincare because my skin looks good. That's
Haan.
polite. That's nice. That's not flirty or anything.
But if he said, what's your skin type?
So skin
Yeah.
type.
why would that be a
Why
compliment?
would the guy ask me my skin type?
Why does a guy know what skin type is?
Unless and until he's a derma or something, why would he ask my skin type?
Kundli match होने की जगह skin type match.
Oily skin? Oh, same. Let's go.
No, but I mean, yeah, honestly, if a guy compliments in a good way, you just know. And if it's a friendly compliment, obviously, there are things like ki,
Because some guys are like, okay, they'll come compliment you and then they'll ask you for your Instagram and everything. So they're just trying to
Yeah.
get in your DMs that way.
Okay, what is the right way to get into your DMs?
I don't think you should just go straight forward and say, ki, give me your Instagram. Like, probably talk to her, like, get to know, like, do it in a subtle way if you
But
want
I mean,
to.
through your Instagram only, they'll talk to you, na? How
No,
will
like
talk to
face
you?
to abhi, if we met, so talk to me, ask me who I am, where I'm
Like
from.
I restrict everyone who replies to my story, so surely not that.
If you're meeting her, then it's good कि you talk to her and then like probably exchange Instagrams and all. And I mean, अगर कोई Instagram पे ही बात करना चाह रहा है, तो फिर honestly stories is a good way, but it depends on which story you're talking or
Yeah,
like
but some
what
guys
way.
are like, so whenever a girl posts something,
Mhm.
they get a lot of attention usi time pe. So that's weird.
Mm.
That's like, okay, they're waiting for you to post something
Oh.
and then they'll get into your DMs. So that's weird.
Yeah.
What's the first thing a girl notices in a boy?
I think confidence maybe. Like
What's
if you're
the
in a
first
group.
thing? The first thing that you notice?
अच्छा मुझे कोई दिख रहा है बस.
हाँ.
तो
Probably.
फिर तो looks ही होगा ना.
हाँ, फिर तो looks ही होगा.
हाँ, and
Fashion
everyone
sense.
has-
Superficial लोग
हाँ,
बैठे हैं यार.
fashion sense is very important.
Okay.
I
yes.
think fashion sense is the first thing I would notice.
And
Okay.
in looks also, it's different for everyone. You will
Everyone, yeah.
notice something else. I'll notice
हाँ.
something else.
That
Okay.
then depends on the type of the
Hmm.
girl. But fashion sense, I think, I guess every girl.
Yeah. Fashion sense. So
हाँ.
Does a guy being obese matters?
I think guys and girls, everyone should care about their health, and
Yeah.
everyone should be like. I would like a guy who's physically active, who's physically
Yeah.
and mentally fit at the same time.
Yes.
You wouldn't get attracted to someone who's not either physically fit or
Uh-huh.
mentally fit.
But if
Yeah.
someone is like,
If they have a problem, then
Uh-huh.
that's a different
no,
thing.
not a problem. Someone is like morbidly obese, but he is like shadowing himself in the name of body positivity.
Then
How do you
I
deal
would
with that?
support them, but I probably wouldn't date them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because, like, I am physically active and I want my partner to be physically
Yeah.
active.
Same.
Physically active is very important.
मतलब not very, मतलब.
Note, please note करा जाए. Do girls like bad guys or good guys more?
I can say this. I like good guys, but I know there are so many girls, especially on the internet, who like bad guys.
Girls like guys who are bad to others, but good to them.
Okay, no, but not for me. I get that, but for me, I
Not
like
bad to others, but
Mhm.
like sort of
Who treat
ignoring
you
towards
specially,
others. No,
yeah.
yeah, exactly.
treat
Not
you- make you
bad,
feel
not
special.
mean or rude or something.
Yeah, who are just better to you. Like, they just care.
Yeah.
Like, you feel special.
Yeah, exactly. I wanted
Yeah.
to say the same
कुछ
thing.
special treatment मिले तुमको अलग से, जो
हाँ,
जनरली
like,
सबको ना दे.
like
हाँ.
ऐसा ना लगे कि मैं तो इसकी friend
They're
ही
nice to
हूँ.
everyone वाला नहीं होना चाहिए.
अच्छा.
They're sweet to everyone. They
Okay.
entertain everyone.
नहीं, मेरे साथ ऐसा, like, everyone in the sense, I personally feel कि the guy should be nice to everyone,
हाँ.
but like obviously not जिसके साथ मैं
Not
nice
too
नहीं हूँ.
nice.
Yeah, too, मतलब basically
मतलब
I want them to be nice,
Basic
but nicer
neutral.
to me.
Neutral.
हाँ, neutral.
Guys, लड़ाई होने वाली है यहाँ पे.
लड़ाई
Cat
है.
fight is incoming.
Yeah.
Okay. Do girls like facial hair?
Yes.
Yeah.
I like
yes.
like guys with beards.
Same. I feel like I like guys with beard more than I like them without a beard.
Okay. What about girls with beards? Is that fine?
That's completely fine if the girl is
Yeah,
fine with
it's
it.
fine if the girl
Yeah.
doesn't mind.
Okay. Do you judge a girl who has facial hair?
No,
No,
it's her
I
choice.
won't judge her. Why would I judge her? If like I go through the same thing, why would I judge her? I think every girl has it.
And it's
a
her
very normal
choice.
thing.
If she
Yeah.
likes herself with or without it, it's her
Yeah.
choice.
I won't judge
Okay.
her for that at all.
Do girls ever do girls ever forget about their first love?
Yeah, they do. They do eventually. It feels like you'll never forget them, but you get over them
Yeah, I mean,
with time. Time heals everything.
Okay. Interesting question. Why do you girls get so moody when you're on your periods?
Because we have this thing
hormones.
called premenstrual syndrome.
Yeah,
So
I mean it's all about hormones actually,
Okay.
and
and she would know better about it biologically. So
it's all about hormones. And like look at it, you're kind of going through something like अगर किसी को
something very painful.
चोट लग
यार.
गई, हाँ, तो अब एक मैन को क्या मैं क्या सोचूंगी कि वो बिल्कुल स्टेबल मूड से होगा? नहीं, ऑब्वियसली राइट, उसको भी
And
कभी
it's constant pain. It's not even
Yeah.
like okay, you stabbed and then left. वो चलता रहता है तो
Yeah, and like for me, though, it kind of also depends. अगर मुझे pain हो रहा है तो I probably wouldn't be in a good mood. But अगर मुझे नहीं हो रहा है, I'll be in a very good mood. Like I would be happy कि ये
हाँ,
pain
but
नहीं
it's
हो रहा है.
also like अगर नहीं भी हो रहा है so I cry every month once. That's right before my period. और वो मुझे नहीं पता क्यों हो रहा है या कुछ भी. That's just hormonal shit.
And I just want to say this to any guy: if you ever get the chance कि you're talking to a girl on a period, या फिर if you're getting her pads or something, give her some extra chocolates.
XXL pads. अच्छा.
Yeah.
Give क्या?
XXL pads.
Yeah, that and chocolate.
And chocolates, guys.
How many times do girls think about sex during a day?
A day.
Yeah.
I think depend करता है हर लड़की का, and
हाँ
that
भाई,
also
it
depends
all
on our
depends on
More
the
than
cycle.
boys
mood.
or less than boys? What do you think?
Definitely. I mean,
Definitely less.
हाँ, I mean हम दोनों के लिए बोल रही हूँ. I'm not sure about every girl. Again, everyone's so different. I think we can only talk about us. That's a
Yeah.
warning कि हमें पहले दे देना चाहिए था. We were just talking about us. From my experience, it's definitely less than guys. Because मैंने podcast में सुना है.
And it's not even in a day की बात भी नहीं आती
हाँ.
because it's not every day.
Yeah, it's honestly not every day. It like depends. Again, it depends with the cycle.
So you're saying
ना.
कि one day
हाँ,
goes
it
without?
depends on your period
हाँ,
cycle.
अगर मेरी पीरियड चल रहा है, I would like अगर कोई that would be the last thing in my mind, honestly.
Right before your periods, you think more about it.
Okay.
I mean,
That's
जब
what I have
ovulation हो जाता है, then guys, it's very biological. Ovulation के बाद you would want copulation to happen. But like it's very hormonal. So I think हमारे लिए कुछ constant नहीं होता. Some days we might want, some days we don't.
Do girls like it when boys go down on them?
Yeah, they do. But not as much as guys think.
We do.
Yeah.
What's your skincare routine?
I have a pretty elaborate skincare routine. So a friend of mine told this to me. He was a guy an year ago or so, and I've been following it. तब से अभी 2 महीने से नहीं किया, but it's very good. It's actually very good. So first thing during the day, face wash, Himalaya Neem face wash.
अच्छा, brand भी बताया वैसे. ठीक है.
उसके बाद minimalist niacinamide serum, then Cetaphil moisturizing cream, sunscreen Neutrogena wali. This is the day skincare routine. And then at night, it's just face wash, vitamin C serum from Minimalist, and snail mucin.
Damn.
I don't think I have a say.
This is a very good routine.
Yeah.
हाँ, this
It's
is
very
like,
therapeutic also. You should
but
try
you have
it.
the brand's name, bro. Like wow.
With neem वाला, without neem वाला काम नहीं करेगा.
Himalayan
नहीं
का
आता
neem face
हिमालय का
wash.
without नीम आता ही नहीं
आता
I think.
नहीं है.
Maybe.
Two things अगर ऐसे 2 चीजें देखनी हो इनमें से which are really helpful for your skin, that's niacinamide serum and the snail mucin thing.
A snail mucin is like really good. Like it moisturizes like for a longer
It
time. than
tones your
moisturizer.
skin, like-
I think for me the best thing जो मेरे लिए काम करता है is I would just suggest 2 things, which is first is obviously cleansing and the other thing is sunscreen.
Sunscreen तो is a must.
Yeah, just look for SPF 50 and PA+++.
What are some things that I can do to make my girl happy and we are in long distance?
I would say text her सबसे पहले in the morning and like probably
Yes.
a sweet text like good morning princess and like I hope your day goes this and
Yeah,
this.
if the girl knows that you think about her when you wake
Yeah.
up right before you sleep, that's
yeah.
a big deal.
Yeah, and keep
You
updating
can-
her probably.
Hi, you can, do video calls, watch movies together.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, like watching movies together and like ki-
Nothing materialistic, but everything that shows that you care
Care
and that
and you
you're
think
still
about
important.
her.
Yeah, that the girl crosses your mind.
Like probably if you were out with someone, you can be back and you're like, this reminded me of you. Yeah.
Yeah.
You basically he makes you feel
And you
important even
text
when you're not
her.
around.
You update her about shit.
Yeah.
कि क्या चल रहा है तुम्हारी life में. You are excited about texting
मेरा
her.
update about shit. I was like,
No, like ऐसे कि हाँ,
Just
something
went to the washroom,
happened.
had a big poop. Feeling light today. It was very sticky.
Oh my god. Ew.
Right. So yeah, I was updating her and making her feel special and
हाँ कि ऐसे होता है ना कि something big or small कुछ भी हुआ life
हाँ,
में you
update
text
her.
her the first thing,
Yeah.
then that makes the girl happy. अरे वो एक fly थी literally.
नहीं इतना बड़ा था.
मधुमक्खी थी.
record हुआ है.
Okay, how to approach a girl?
Be smooth. या फिर be
Yeah.
confident.
Yeah, cocoa butter
Don't be
लगा के है।
cocky.
What do you mean be smooth?
Be smooth, like I don't know, like I sometimes feel ki if a guy just comes to me and he's like, hi, I'm this, I would probably be like why are you here, like, you know.
Yeah.
But at the same
You have
time,
to
it
find an
depends.
excuse to talk to her.
Yeah, find an excuse to talk to her. Yeah, that's what I mean by being smooth. Ki like slip in the conversation from some
हाँ,
way.
and that excuse also shouldn't be too obvious कि हाँ ठीक है वो बात हो गई तो okay now number दो.
Like
ये
make
नहीं
her
होना
feel
चाहिए.
comfortable. I feel
हाँ,
like when
exactly.
a guy, I'm like all of a sudden ki oh,
And before asking for a number या Instagram में कुछ भी, try doing it for a few days at least कि हाँ थोड़ी थोड़ी बात हो रही है.
Yeah.
How do girls feel when boys talk about their ex?
Not
Depends, yeah. If
the
I like
best.
that guy, I would hate that. I would be like,
same.
what the
Yeah.
like I would probably
Why
that
are
would be
you
a red
talking
flag.
about her? The first thing that would come to my mind, go
Yeah.
to her, go back to
Yeah,
her.
exactly. that would be the first thing. Like उसी के पास चले जाओ वही इतनी
No
याद
one
आ रही है
likes
तो.
emotionally unavailable men.
Yes.
Why do girls never tell us directly what they're upset about?
Because they want you to figure it out. It's so obvious.
But-
It's so obvious. If
Uh-huh.
matlab, I feel like if you really care about the girl enough, you'll think about it hard enough and you'll know.
I think girls basically want to feel कि this person cares about me
हाँ,
for me to
exactly.
tell them. Like I don't want to be like you are, and then he's like I want him to be like मुझे जानना है, like I care
हाँ, and
about you.
उसके भी पहले I want you to figure it out. If you figure it out, then that's the best.
Yeah, that's like
Because
that,
it's
हाँ.
usually not that hard.
Okay, it has a second part ki why do you ask for solutions when what you only want is emotional validation?
I don't ask for solutions. That is what men
Why
tell.
did you take it as a personal attack?
No, but like I know कि guys are always like I've seen so many reels about it. I'm like, we did not even ask for solution. We're telling you our problems.
Okay.
We just
We're
want
not asking-
reassurance.
Yeah,
No girl wants solutions.
Yeah.
As far as I know,
yeah.
most girls don't want solutions. They want reassurance.
See, what I feel most girls, ठीक है, what I feel most girls want is कि you like we want to find our solutions on our own because we know we can find our solutions. ठीक है,
Yeah.
we're strong enough, we are
Definitely.
independent enough. We
Agreed.
just want someone who listens to us and who validates it,
Oh,
like
okay.
reassures our
This
feelings.
is where I was lacking.
Yeah, and validates our
Okay.
feelings. See, for example, मैं traffic में फंसी हुई हूँ and I'm like, fuck, मैं मतलब traffic में फंस गई हूँ
Okay.
and I'm on a call with you and you're
Okay.
like, तो फिर पहले निकलना चाहिए था. I
Yeah.
don't want that.
Exactly.
I want like,
But-
yes, I understand. Like it's so
हो
hard.
जाएगा. You'll get
हाँ,
out
But
you'll
of
get
I
it.
mean,
yeah,
it
you'll
would
reach
have
there
been
soon.
avoided, but अगर आप time से निकल जाते तो है
Yes, and I know that. I'm not
Yeah.
asking
ना?
you
Then
for
why
that.
did you not do that?
I am not talking about it because I want to hear कि मैं क्या कर
Yeah,
सकती
when she is irritated, just
Yeah.
don't talk about it. Maybe if you want to mention it later on,
Mhm.
sometime other when she's in a
Yeah.
more chill mood, you can.
Yeah, next time you could be like, इस बार time से निकल जाना, yeah, you know, just be
हाँ,
on time this
भाई.
time or something.
And that also in a very calm.
Calm way, yeah, like इस बार time से निकल, like
ऐसे नहीं.
हाँ.
सुन तो पिछली बार लेट हो गई थी तो
हाँ.
आज थोड़ा देख लेना.
Okay. Do you mind dating guys shorter or younger than you?
Yeah,
Shorter
I-
or younger? Which one?
both.
Both. Okay.
See, I think I won't mind dating someone younger than me if they are mature enough, but I would definitely mind dating someone shorter than me because I am 5'2". So literally, if someone's shorter than me, then I think कि हमारी life थोड़ी मुश्किल हो
Then I think वो
जाएगी.
बोना में आ जाएगा.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. I respect short guys as well, but I just personally prefer taller guys
Short kings.
because I'm like खुद very short.
Okay. Next is what's your take on situationships?
Oh,
I
damn.
find it a very stupid idea, honestly.
Yeah, I think I am done and through with it.
I mean, if you wanted to date that person, you would date that person. You wouldn't wait. Ki, okay, it will turn into a relationship someday.
Mhm.
It's probably because one or the other person has commitment issues, is why situationships come up.
I personally feel कि situationships are just like this generation wali thing कि they're like now because they just want something casual, then they've come up with this situationship, and it's okay if you want to keep it casual.
But you have
But-
to be clear about it. You
Yeah.
can't
You
tag
can't
it
be
something
in the
else.
middle zone and you're like
हाँ.
कि you know हो सकता है.
Yeah, you're
कुछ वो
leading
होने
the
नहीं
other
वाला
person
है.
on.
Yeah. And have you heard about benching?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, how much do you bench, right?
Yeah,
yeah.
guys.
Chess days.
And then they say girls are so hard to understand.
What is benching though? I have no idea.
Benching, I think what I've heard is
हाँ.
benching is one person keeping the other person for a backup.
Okay.
कि ठीक है, this person is here in case they
हाँ.
don't get along, like they don't end up with the person they want to end up with actually. So they have a backup option there.
Why do girls like to date fuck boys and then think it's their job to help them?
ये मैंने honestly movies में ही
Fucked up
देखा है.
girls do that.
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of girls think that, you know, if they like a guy
Mm-hmm.
and that guy is fucked up, they think,
Yeah.
okay, my
I
love
will
will
fix
change.
him. Yeah, he will
My
stop
love will
to
change him or something.
And I think ऐसा
But
movies
that's
में भी
never gonna
दिखाया हुआ है.
happen.
Yeah,
You
ऐसा
can't create an image of them and you're actually in love with the potential of them. You don't actually like the person they are. You like the potential they could become.
yeah, the मतलब जो
So
तुमने
you're
कुछ
keeping
romanticize
yourself
करा
in an
हुआ है.
imaginary world there.
I think Bollywood movies or just any movie in general and books have really like romanticized this concept. I think
Yeah.
the chances of that are very less and it's way better like if you just meet someone
That
who's
person
already
won't
sorted
get
out.
fixed. मतलब
Yeah, हो सकता है
people only
temporarily.
change themselves when they want to. You
Hmm.
can't decide it
बात
for
है.
them.
सही बात है.
Good.
But I
Yeah.
do think like some people can motivate the other person to change. Yeah,
Yeah,
can be
probably,
the
It can be
inspiration for the
motivative,
Mhm.
but
yeah.
ऐसे-
Ultimately, the power
हाँ.
is with inside you.
Not to sound creepy, but do girls have boobs of different sizes?
Yeah, they do.
I had no idea about this
Uh.
honestly, but nice to know.
Do you feel safe when you are going out at night alone?
No.
I don't at all. Night क्या
Same.
मैं तो कभी कभी डे
I
में भी
carry
same
pepper
है.
spray.
मैं तो नाइट में बाहर निकलती ही नहीं हूँ इस डर से कुछ मेरा जो कॉलेज का एरिया है वो इतना
हाँ, हाँ.
इतना गंदा है लाइक
Okay.
वहाँ तो एक बार हम ग्रुप में थे कॉलेज में पूरे लाइक लड़के लड़की पुलिस आ गई मैं बोली अंदर चले जाओ यहाँ पे खून खराबा हो जाता है कभी भी खुलने में तो लाइक आई वुड लाइक नेवर गो अलोन लाइक इन माय एरिया एटलीस्ट
Okay.
बट या आई डोंट थिंक एनी गर्ल फील्स सेफ
I do like, you know, even if I do go out alone at night or if I'm coming back from the gym late at night or something, I'm extra careful at the time. I look around कि क्या चल रहा है.
But aren't
सब
you wearing
ठीक है.
headphones?
No, I'm not at the
Okay.
time.
Interesting. What do you guys prefer, introverts or extroverts?
Ambivert.
yeah ambiverts like
एक word क्या
people who
सीख
are
लिया यार सबने यही बोल
like
रहे
they
हैं
should
सब.
be an extrovert with me and I don't care बाकी
हाँ.
दुनिया के साथ like
Right.
he can't
बाकी
be
दुनिया
introvert.
के साथ introvert हो तो
हाँ.
Okay.
better.
like
And what's your love language?
my love language is like क्या
Space.
types होते हैं like yeah they should give me space when I need it like they should respect my space
but-
and then
Major तो वो 5-6 कैटेगरी से तो होती है.
एक होती है gift
Efforts,
giving
Time,
हाँ.
activity.
Mine is
giving.
quality time.
हाँ I don't मुझे क्या क्या gift giving तो नहीं है
Mhm.
और क्या क्या होता है
Physical touch.
physical
quality
touch
time.
है
Words of
वो
affirmation.
affirmation.
words of affirmation बहुत ज्यादा है मुझे बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ता है
मुझे
words
भी
से
हाँ. Words of affirmation is important.
हम्म.
मतलब ऐसे लगना चाहिए that you know ऐसे बहुत बहुत cases में होता है when the guy gets the girl
Mhm.
they stop
Yeah.
trying, they stop trying to impress them. That's not how it
Yes.
should be. They should be
still
still mad
be like,
about
yeah,
them,
yeah.
crazy about them.
yeah talk to them like you know like you
They're-
still want them and like
Yeah.
you're trying to chase them still
Yes.
Okay, so the most asked question is, does size matter?
yes the size of heart matters
Okay, I will
and
take
the size
that as
of
an answer.
brain also matters obviously
Yeah.
But I'm pretty sure they're talking about something else.
I think मैंने कहीं तो किसी रील में देखा था कि the size probably doesn't matter like एक average size है, उससे ज्यादा it does
I
not
think
matter
the time that you can last matters much more.
yeah
Yeah. That.
यही उस रील में यही था
Hmm.
Okay. Do girls like it when boys make the first move?
yeah like why wouldn't we like obviously guys like now when girls make the first move
I
Everyone
mean,
likes
The
attention.
ones that we interviewed,
everyone
they like.
likes attention everyone likes to feel important
Yeah.
Do girls bath daily?
Yeah. Not in winters.
yeah
Uh-huh.
that's what I was gonna say
Okay.
In winters से दो
But
तीन
like
दो
how-
दिन 3 दिन max चल जाता है without bathing. But
But I think it also depends actually. मुझे याद मैं preparation phase में थी मुझे पता है बहुत ही stupid sound करेगा जज कर लेना मुझे बात एक टाइम वेस्ट लगता था मुझे लगता था नहाना इस टाइम वेस्ट से बेटर तो मैं पढ़ लूँ
हाँ अगर तू घर पे है और तू पढ़ रही है the entire time, you're
But like-
in the same room,
Yeah,
तो
so
फिर
I
लगता
feel
है,
like
हाँ
like ऐसा concept जिसने भी बनाया हुआ है कि oh my god girls don't fart, girls don't poop, girls take bath, like that's not really true. There are honestly messy girls
girls
as
don't
well.
bath और girls don't poop बहुत अलग हो
हाँ
गया.
वैसे but ठीक है. Okay, but how often do you wash your hair then?
After 3 days is my ideal time, but again some girls have like super greasy hair, so they wash their hair every day.
I wash my hair once a week because I
Yeah.
don't get time, and because of gym वो गंदे हो जाते हैं anyway. So I wash them once a week. If I'm at home, I'm chilling or something, then twice a week.
What are some red flags that you feel in a guy?
If a guy entertains everyone, every girl,
Okay.
that's a red flag.
I think if they disrespect you and they think
Yeah.
that's normal, like प्यार में
Being disrespectful is
Biggest red flag
Yeah.
ever.
Yeah. If you're even angry, I get
Yeah,
it, but
I mean,
like
how can someone be
also
so
dishonest.
disrespectful? Oh, okay.
dishonest.
yeah, dishonest and not
About
loyal.
even if it's about the smallest of things, it's a turn off for me.
and also not being loyal to you.
Yeah,
Obviously.
वो तो unsaid.
Wow.
वो तो obvious है मतलब.
Too friendly with boys chalega.
हाँ,
A
like,
little too
I
friendly
respect
with boys.
अरे
Rosary are too friendly with boys.
But like if he's straight, as long as he's straight चलेगा.
So what are some green flags that you notice in a guy?
Efforts, quality time.
उसका opposite नहीं बोलना बस.
यार
कुछ और सोच.
Yeah, efforts do matter a lot. Like efforts doesn't
हाँ.
mean कि you ऐसा भी नहीं बोल रही कि you bring flowers to her. Like वो तो ठीक है,
But
but
you just have to show
listen
her that
to
she's
her.
important.
and I'll tell you how you do that. Like वो जो बोल रही है वो सुनो. Like for example, I told you today that I like strawberries या फिर ये something.
तो strawberry ला के दे दो.
नहीं
हाँ,
तो yeah,
मतलब-
probably that या फिर bring her that cake or something, and you're like you don't even have to tell her. कि,
Yeah,
see, I got
that-
you a strawberry cake because I
They
heard
remember the
Yeah.
details. They
Yeah.
remember small things you tell them about.
Yeah. Other than that, like और क्या green? He has good music taste and good fashion sense.
हाँ, good fashion
And
sense.
care, like he cares about you and the people close to him.
Yeah.
Like it really shows how they
Should
talk
be
to their family.
considerate.
Yeah, मुझे ऐसा लगता है it really reflects on a guy the way he treats his family,
treats
especially.
everyone.
Yeah, but like
Shouldn't
family
be
mainly.
mean or ऐसा
Because
कुछ.
a lot of people are like very good to others, but with their family they're
हाँ.
like really bad,
Hmm.
and that like shows.
I really appreciate Kanchi taking out 3 hours of her day to come here.
Oh my god, guys! Kanchi went pura Delhi, like literally pura
So
Delhi.
you
to come
should have
here.
told me यार ये सेम नाम की
हाँ,
दो
दो
जगह हैं,
जगह।
दो अलग कोनों में.
हमने सोचा भी नहीं ना कोई ये कर सकता
हाँ,
है.
अभी
Because
जितने
आज तक
guest
ये
आए
लोग
सब
आ
सही
चुके
है.
हैं.
बॉम्बे में कर चुकी हूँ, मेरे भाई के फ्लैट
Oh
में रहती थी,
my
वो भी
God.
लोअर परेल में है, और एक नवी मुंबई में. मैं नवी मुंबई पहुंच गई थी.
Oh my god, guys! So literally इस वीडियो को एक thumbs up just for Kanchi struggle मिलना
Yeah,
चाहिए.
please.
Yeah, you can tune this podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Amazon Music, and almost every podcast platform.
And our Instagram page, which goes by the name of Two Sides of a Coin _podcast.
Make sure you follow us there because we're coming up with super cool reels that we just filmed today.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you guys in the next podcast.
Cheers.